Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your shipping address on your Kohls account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in kohls.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Kohls website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to change your delivery address, then click on your account icon at the top right corner. From here, click on account settings at the top left, and now you will see the address option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will find your current address that you have added onto your account. Now you can either delete the already existing address first and then add a new one later, or you can click on the add address first to add the new address first on your account. You will now need to enter your first and your last name, followed by your address and your phone number. After entering all of these details, click on "This is my default shipping address" and also the "This is my billing address." If this is the address that you will be using mostly, then click on the Save button, and once the new address has been added, you can proceed with deleting the existing one. And after you delete this old one, your shipping address has successfully been changed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your shipping address on your Kohls account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.